Unraveling the mystery. Understanding, sense of foreboding. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, sense of foreboding. This might sound a bit complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase, sense of foreboding. This phrase combines two powerful words, sense and foreboding. Sense refers to a feeling or intuition about something, not based on logical reasoning but more on a gut feeling. Foreboding, on the other hand, is all about a strong inner feeling or notion of a future misfortune, evil, or calamity. When we put these two words together, a sense of foreboding refers to an intuitive feeling that something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. It's like an internal alarm bell that goes off, warning you about potential danger or trouble ahead. Understanding through examples can make things clearer. Let's look at a few. 1. As the dark clouds gathered, I had a strong sense of foreboding that the picnic would be ruined by rain. Here, the sense of foreboding is about the anticipation of rain ruining an event. 2. The eerie silence in the abandoned house gave her a sense of foreboding. In this case, the sense of foreboding comes from the creepy silence, suggesting that something bad might happen. 3. He had a sense of foreboding about the meeting, worrying it would not end well. This example shows the feeling being related to anxiety about a future event's outcome. Now that you know what it means and have seen some examples, let's talk about using sense of foreboding in your English. This phrase is particularly useful in creative writing or when you want to express a nuanced emotional state. It adds depth to descriptions of feelings and situations, especially when you want to convey suspense or a hint of impending doom. Remember, while it's a bit formal, it can still be used in everyday conversation to add a dramatic flair or to precisely express your apprehensions about future events. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the meaning of sense of foreboding. We hope this exploration has illuminated this intriguing phrase for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your English conversations and writing. Remember, language is a tool for expression, and phrases like these add color and depth to our communications. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!